what's up, guys? We're gonna be reviewing an onion. So it says we have to chop it up.
What are you doing? Oh my god. No, that's,
Okay, so
that's
it
not-
looks like it's not very good for chopping.
No, it's not.
Okay,
No, you have to do it on like a chopping board, right?
so we gotta.
Where are you going?
It says we should only get some.
What are you doing? What? You're
No,
gonna
they say we're not supposed to eat the skin.
Where
But
are you gonna put that back?
who reads the directions? It's tasty. It's very hot.
Good stuff.
Okay, so try this out.
I know, I don't want to try that.
Hello, so today we're also going to be reviewing an orange. The directions say to peel it, but who reads the directions? So let's just get right into it.
Oh my god.
It's pretty good. It's orangey.
You just... That doesn't seem safe. Mate.
Oh, the peel's pretty good.
You had to fit... No, don't go...
I have to stop filming.